Ready to unlock a world of entertainment? Let's explore how to get a free trial on Paramount Plus. First, visit the Paramount Plus website on your computer, tablet, or phone. Simply type Paramount Plus into your search engine. Once on the home page, find the Try It Free button, usually prominently displayed. Click on it. Next, you'll see various subscription plans. Choose the one that suits you best, keeping in mind that the free trial applies to most options. Now, create your account. Enter your email address, a strong password, and any other necessary information, ensuring everything is accurate. Then, you'll need to enter your payment information. Don't worry, you won't be charged until after your free trial. Provide your credit card or PayPal details for a seamless transition if you continue your subscription. Finally, review the terms and conditions and confirm your free trial. You'll see a confirmation page with the trial length and the date you'll be charged if you don't cancel. And that's it. Start streaming your favorite movies and shows on Paramount Plus. Enjoy your free trial. And remember to set a reminder to cancel before it ends if you don't want to be charged.